guys, welcome back to Just Watch Nato. And today we're playing Monkey Bomb Tag. Guys, I really don't know. I just picked the most randomest games, okay? I don't know why. I just played and this am I a tiger? I don't think so. I'm kind of like, okay, so all we gotta do is survive and knock it. Oh my gosh. Wait, what is going on? Oh gosh, no, please.
No, please.
Oh my gosh, I was like right next to somebody. Wait, there's a place I know. Bro, why am I here? Why was I? Bro, how does this thing work? Bro, I'm never gonna get tagged. No! Wait, that's so fun. Wait, guys, I'm such a pro. Why are they running? No. I have to be careful. Oh, they're about to die. They only have 3 seconds left to the bomb. Oh, wait, did they tag somebody? Oh, that was so Sigma. They tagged somebody with 3 seconds left. Wait, guys, how do I get back up? There, I really like over here. Oops. Okay. No, somebody's coming. They think they're slick. Guys, I can jump. I think you can just... No, wait. Guys, where is everybody? Where? Oh, I see somebody. No, I'm gonna die! No! Wait. What? It just let me... Oh no, I'm a spectator now. Okay. Who had the bomb? Oh, you think you can just... No. Oh, that was so Sigma. Oh, that was so Sigma. Yes, I got somebody. Okay. I have to be careful. If they come to me. Okay. Bro, my jumping skills suck. There, finally up here. Is the person with the bomb coming to me? Okay, nobody's coming here. I think over here is safe. But there's still so many people alive, so. Okay. Roblox, 7. Okay, they tagged somebody. Alright. I'm just sitting here like, nobody's getting me because everybody's over there. No, why are people coming to this section? I love being a monkey. So fun. Okay. Why are they just dying like that? They actually thought that would work. Okay, the person who has the bomb tagged somebody. Okay, look at that monkey run. No. Yeah, I'm not. That person is stuck, I think. Or they're lagging. Because they look at them, bro.
Everest ain't got
What are they doing? I'm scared. Are they? What are they? Oh my gosh, that was scary. Okay, that person is trying to ore farm. Okay, I have to be very careful. I feel like people are gonna... No. People don't come here. Okay, people are not coming here. No, you think I'm dumb? No. That was so scary. No. I have to go back to the safe place. Because now... Oh my gosh, I'm so mad at that person for coming. Like... No. What? They took me off flying. No, watching, and like I don't know. I think this game, like I think it's just what? Why are there pig sounds? Do you guys? What the heck is that? What? Wait.